In today's modern kitchen, having the right cookware is essential for delivering high-quality meals. This Aufranc stainless steel pots and pans set offers the perfect blend of practicality, durability, and high-end performance. If you are searching for a cookware set that can handle your busy kitchen needs while offering exceptional cooking results, the 6-piece non-stick kitchen induction cookware set by Aufranc might be the solution you've been looking for. Whether you are a home cook or an aspiring chef, this cookware set is designed to suit any kitchen decor while providing professional-grade cooking results for both large and small meals. The 2-quart pot, 2.6 quart pot, and 3.7 quart pot with tempered glass lids make it a versatile set for every occasion. Key features of the Aufranc stainless steel pots and pans set. 1. High-quality materials for even heat distribution. The Aufranc cookware set features 3-ply premium-quality stainless steel construction, which includes a thick aluminum core. This design allows for fast and even heat distribution, ensuring that your food cooks consistently, whether you're simmering, sautéing, or boiling. The stainless steel construction is not only sturdy but also resistant to wear, making it a great long-term investment for your kitchen. 2. Works with all cooktops. One of the standout features of the Aufranc stainless steel pots and pans set is its compatibility with induction, electric, and gas cooktops. This versatility means you can use it on virtually any stovetop in your kitchen, making it an excellent choice whether you have an induction burner, gas stove, or electric range. Whether you are preparing a small meal for one or cooking for the entire family, these pots and pans will fit seamlessly into your kitchen. 3. Non-stick coating for easy cooking and cleanup. The non-stick interior of the pots and pans is ideal for cooking a wide range of dishes with minimal oil or butter. This not only helps you create healthier meals, but also ensures that food doesn't stick, making cleanup a breeze. The dishwasher-safe feature is another great convenience, ensuring you don't spend excessive time washing pots and pans after cooking. 4. Scratch-resistant design. The Aufranc cookware set is built to last with a scratch-resistant surface, making it suitable for use with metal utensils. This means you can stir, flip, and scoop with confidence without worrying about damaging the cookware. The durability of the stainless steel combined with the scratch-resistant coating ensures that your set remains in great condition even with heavy use. Why you should choose the Aufranc stainless steel pots and pans set. 1. Durability and longevity. The premium stainless steel construction guarantees that these pots and pans will stand the test of time. Unlike non-stick pans that wear out over time, the Aufranc cookware set is built for durability. Whether you're cooking for a large family or making meals every day, these pots and pans are designed to withstand high heat without losing their integrity. 2. Versatility. The 6-piece set includes a 2-quart pot, 2.6 quart pot, and 3.7 quart pot, providing the perfect sizes for a variety of cooking tasks. From preparing quick soups to simmering sauces or even making a large batch of stew, this set offers everything you need for diverse cooking styles. It is compatible with all cooktops, making it an ideal choice whether you use gas, electric, or induction stovetops. 3. Professional-level cooking. If you enjoy cooking meals that require precision, the Aufranc cookware set provides even heat distribution across the entire cooking surface. This feature ensures that your dishes are cooked to perfection, with no hot spots or uneven heating, which can sometimes burn or undercook food. Whether you're searing meats or preparing delicate sauces, these pots and pans provide the reliability needed for professional-level cooking. Conclusion: if you are looking for a cookware set that combines durability, versatility, and high performance, this Aufranc stainless steel pots and pans set is an excellent choice. The 6-piece non-stick cookware set offers everything you need to create delicious meals with ease. With its premium stainless steel construction, non-stick interior, and lifetime warranty, you can be confident that you're investing in quality cookware that will meet all your cooking needs for years to come. Whether you are a seasoned cook or a beginner in the kitchen, the Aufranc cookware set ensures that every meal is prepared to perfection. Say goodbye to sticky food, uneven heating, and frustrating cleanup. This cookware set has it all. Don't wait. Click the link to discover more details about this amazing cookware set. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.